Hey guys, so if you're here on this video, I'm going to show you how we stain our frames. So on this side here, I am going to use a baby wipe, but I will also show you how to use a paintbrush with the paper towel. So you're gonna just dip your brush in the stain, and then you'll just brush on the stain on the frame on both sides. So just like that, you'll brush it on and then you'll wipe it off with a paper towel. And it's okay if it overlaps onto your background. We will tape it off and we will paint over it. I'm gonna switch to a baby wipe. I like the way that it looks and it's a little bit easier. So you just dip your wipe in the stain and then you just rub it on to the frame. Just like that. And then you'll do the outside edges also. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, but if you've wiped your stain down, it doesn't take that long to dry. So if you just give it a couple minutes, you should be ready to go. Okay, so we use a 1-inch blue painter's tape to tape our frames. So what you're gonna do is over your dry stain on the frame, you're just gonna put some tape over it. So you'll just line it up as best as you can with the lines that you can see there. Make sure you push kind of hard on the edge so that it's really down. So when we paint our base, the paint won't bleed under. Okay, so now that your edges are taped, you can hop over to the next video. So we will show you how to paint your base.